Welcome to episode number 6 of the Dance Decode. My name is Tisha.
And my name is Abhinav.
Today we have invited our youngest team member Kashish to interview us
And help us decode the process at All About Dance.
Tisha and Abhinav, there is this term that people use very often, luxury wedding choreography. So do you consider All About Dance as a luxury wedding choreography company?
We don't really throw that term in people's faces. And I also want to stress on the fact that just because you've done a high budget wedding or you've done a very grand wedding, you can call yourself a luxury wedding choreographer confidently. Although there are many facets to a luxury wedding choreography experience, I'm just going to narrow down a few and talk about these. The ability to give your clients a stress-free experience. They are already running around with shopping, designing, etc., to make sure that we are able to smoothly coordinate their rehearsals, their song selection process. That is a sign of true luxury. The fact that we are able to let the clients be comfortable in whatever they choose to wear. We call it wardrobe movement safety, and I'm going to explain what that means. To ensure that a fish cut lehenga doesn't come in the way of the dance, to ensure that a tight jacket does not make the client look awkward. All this is part of the process. And even when we realize that something is not working, we're able to instantly change it to make them comfortable and look amazing on the day of their wedding. The third most important thing is tailor-made experiences. Making sure that we are considering their story, their proposal, their taste of music, family traditions most importantly, in curating the entire experience for them.
Exactly. No two weddings that we have ever curated are the same because no two love stories are the same. So, yes, we are luxury wedding choreographers.
Now that you have mentioned unique experience, can you throw some light on what makes the experience memorable for the couple?
Not just for the couple, for their entire family. Now, when we start working on a particular wedding, of course, the end product, the final day is our goal, and that's what we have in mind. But our entire focus is on making the journey memorable for them because this is what they will remember down the years. They don't just have to remember us as choreographers, we have multiple roles to play.
Absolutely. We are not only choreographers but also comedians to some extent. We are problem solvers, we are good listeners, we are energy boosters.
On some days, we are therapists also.
True,
So
very
we have
true.
so many roles to play, and that's something we voluntarily choose to do to make this experience fun for them. You have to understand that in the whatever 30-45 days that we are teaching them, we're dealing with a crunch time so close to their wedding. They're running around with last minute shopping, detailing, invites, food tasting, etc. The least we can do is make sure that these practice sessions where all of them get together, the family, the friends, these are worth their time.
And least of their worries.
Exactly, right? I mean, for us, of course, it's a professional commitment, but for them, to ghar ki shaadi ho rahi hai, yaar, they want to come and have fun. That is our job. We just have to make sure that they don't just remember the final day of the wedding, the final day of the performances. They remember कि यार all about dance के साथ सीख के बहुत मजा आया. That is our goal at the end of the day.
So, All About Dance, what is your team all about?
Well, Tisha over here, she comes from a corporate background. So she's amazing with coordination, management, excellent communication skills, peak detailing. You can call her the Dhurandhar of our team. And in addition to all these excellent traits, she's also well versed in multiple dance styles.
Thank you, Abhinav. Abhinav, on the other hand, has years of experience on dance reality shows. He's been on TV, he's judged so many events, and I think he has done more than 2,000 stage shows in his entire life. So his sense of visualization, production, stage management, creativity is at the highest level. He adds that element of wow to your event. And not just that, we are blessed to have been able to assemble our own team of Avengers with their own superpowers.
Yes, they are great teachers, good with backstage management, stage management, amazing at production,
Console management,
lighting,
music
designing.
edits, graphics, the works. We are so well equipped to handle any scale of wedding with the kind of team that we have. And I must mention here that we have always received such positive feedback about our team members from the client. On so many occasions, they don't ask about us. They ask you, where is your team? Ye nahi aaya, wo nahi aaya. So we love that and we are very, very proud of our team.
So that's what our team is all about.
It was a great insight into the process and journey of All About Dance. Thank you, Disha and Abhinav.
Thank you, Kashish. And you guys, if you have any more questions for us, feel free to comment or drop us a DM.